This is Dr. Reiner Kremer with a very, very important subject. That is, C. difficile infections are in the news. Why? With many of us who visit friends in hospitals and nursing homes, these places have become bad news and major sources of C. diff infections. It is of utmost importance that we don't expose ourselves to and contract a C. diff infection. So good hand hygiene is key. But most importantly, you need a healthy gut microbiome. When it comes to C. diff, an ounce of prevention is worth more than a pound of cure. Our topic today is probiotic health benefits, preventing infection, leaky gut, and leaky brain in chiropractic, naturopathic, and allopathic medicine. I practice functional family medicine. So let's get started. You may wish to take notes, as what we are about to share can significantly improve your health and prevent you from contracting C. diff or similar infections. Probiotics are microbes, bacteria, and fungi that can have a significant beneficial effect on health and can be safely used for nutritional and therapeutic applications. Bacteria compete with one another to create ecosystems, balancing good versus bad. Probiotics work in the gut by increasing the number of healthy microbes, keeping harmful bugs in check. Historically, medical research has primarily focused on developing antibiotics to kill harmful bacteria rather than promote the growth of good bacteria. Beneficial bacteria support a healthy immune system, improve mood, and improve the absorption of nutrients, help with infection prevention, irritable bowel syndrome or IBS, constipation, and prevent a leaky gut and a leaky brain. Studies have demonstrated that lactobacillus and bifidobacterium probiotics promote normal bowel movements and help with irritable bowel syndrome. Probiotics also promote vaginal balance, prevent unpleasant discharge and itching that occurs with the loss of vaginal lactobacilli, contributing to imbalances in the vaginal microbiome, making probiotic supplementation necessary. Probiotics defend against urinary tract infections by using lactobacilli, and especially with women who have recurrent urinary tract infections or bladder infections. Antibiotics may provide short-term benefits, but they kill good and bad bacteria non-selectively. Probiotics boost beneficial bacteria and help create a healthier microbiome in the body, reducing the impact of harmful bugs such as C. diff. Quality probiotics have been determined to be safe and can be taken during pregnancy. So what are the best probiotics? What are the best strains? These specific 10 probiotic strains have the best scientific documentation. Lactobacillus plantarum, Lactobacillus acidophilus, Lactobacillus rhamnosus, Lactobacillus lactis, Lactobacillus casei, Lactobacillus vulgaris, Lactobacillus salvarius, Bifidobacterium bifidum, Bifidobacterium brevi, Bifidobacterium longum. Now listen, when choosing a probiotic, choose the right probiotic. How? Look for the highest quality and number of probiotic strains. 10 is a very good start. Look for the number of CFUs or colony forming units. 50 billion is most excellent. And also look where the probiotics are made. An approved USA facility is best. Read the label carefully.